Okay, students, today we are going to start up our second unit video lecture. Our second unit is engineering ethics. That is how we have to follow the rules and regulation, terms and conditions to obtain the correct combination of our daily life and the engineering life. The main idea of studying this wedding in engineering ethics, we are going to discuss about the what is engineering ethics. Engineering ethics is an activity or code of ethics standards of conduct endorsement. The scope of engineering ethics is twofold. Ethics, there are two convenient micro, knowing moral values, studying decision. It would be relevant to how why and how it is related. So resource crunch, double attitude, poor attitude of the employee is certain due to low moral value. So with this website address, we can utilize the searching of the topic in case of video lecture. Mm. Type of There are three type of inquiry: narrative inquiry, and then conceptual inquiry. Third one is the factual or descriptive inquiry. Moral dilemmas. Dilemmas are the situation in which moral reasons come to effective. The problem of vagueness. One is unable to distinguish between the goodness and bad. The logical steps in confirming moral dilemmas are integrity, rank the moral options. Moral autonomy is defined as the decision and actions experiences on the daily usage of words. Moral autonomy, periodical changes, moral. The engineering skills related to moral autonomy are listed below. Autonomy, which is the independence, is making definition. Different criteria may be applied for evaluating various ethical key theories. Theories and judgment are continuously adjusted to each other until we reach the theory. That is our target. So, utilitarian theory, this approach ways they permitted a few immoral actions, hence there was a need to develop utilization. Duty ethic theory. The duty ethic theory proposed by British person. Third theory is right theory. Rights are entitled for the discussion. The right theory is promoted by them. Any questions can be raised. Self right theory, rights or entitlement to add or promote by the third person. Right theory or natural is so far they are not invented in defeat. Justice theory, the justice of fairness approach. Self-realization of ethics. A right action consists in seeking self-interest. Self-interest is being good and acceptable one. Religion have played an important role in daily life. So each religion lays stress on their belief. So you can follow these websites for your reference. Any questions can be raised. So in the next class of our video lecture, we will discuss about the objective of engineering ethics in the engineering field. Okay, with this we are concluding the second unit first video lecture. So next class we will start up the second video lecture of the second unit. So interested people can share your details for get full case studies.